Mastering templates is one of the most important skills in building the front end of your Sitefinity website. In a previous video, we showed you how to create pages using the page and widget templates. With the convenient drag-and-drop functionality, Sitefinity lets you display all the content you need on your pages in the layout you want. Now, it's time to see how to create the page and widget templates that will be used by the editors in your project. There's two ways to do that. One is starting from scratch and creating them right in the IDE, which in the most common cases is Microsoft Visual Studio. And the other is with a handy tool provided by Sitefinity called Sitefinity V6. So, open the Sitefinity project and navigate to Resource Packages. That's the folder where the templates are located. Resource packages help you store your templates, scripts, styles, and other assets grouped in separate folders and ready to use on your pages and templates. By default, with Sitefinity CMS, you get the Bootstrap 4 package, but you can add your own packages to the Resource Packages folder. Let's begin by creating some page templates. To do so, you place your page template in the Layouts folder of the MVC Views. As a sample, you can use the Quantum project available on GitHub for you to check or clone to your local machine. If you open the Layouts folder of the Quantum project, you'll find the quantum.cshtml file that was used in the previous video, along with the default .cshtml file on which it's based. You can add other page templates to this folder, which shape the global look and feel of your website. Sitefinity's page templates allow you to define your main styles, and every page you build with them will have a consistent design language. Now, let's check the widget templates. You'd need to create custom widget templates whenever you want to change the look and feel of particular widgets, and when you need to display or remove any information from a presentation layer. For widget templates, navigate to the folder containing the content type or section you want to add a template to, such as Navigation, Users, Search, and so on. Place your file there. It's important to note that the Sitefinity widgets are convention-based, so you must follow the same convention to make sure your templates are correctly interpreted by the system. Often you'd need to add a custom widget template for a custom dynamic module. You can do this in the IDE, create a folder with the name of the content type, and place it in the MVC Views folder. This process is quite straightforward for developers versed in .NET and MVC applications, but still requires some manual work with a high level of accuracy. To address that, Sitefinity provides a tool called Sitefinity V6, which streamlines the process and saves development time by taking out most of the repetitive actions required for creating grid and page templates, along with some more advanced operations. Sitefinity V6 is open-sourced and can be downloaded from the Visual Studio Marketplace. It supports all recent versions of Microsoft Visual Studio. Let's see how Sitefinity V6 helps you create templates faster. Open the Sitefinity project and navigate to the folder you'd like to work with. Right-click on the folder and navigate to Add Sitefinity and use one of the options provided. Those are Resource Package, Page Template, Grid Widget, Widget, and more advanced features such as Module Project and Integration Tests projects. If you select any of the first four options, the Sitefinity command line interface that the V6 utilizes will create the required files and folders for you. In the background, V6 updates the configuration files as well, so you don't have to do it manually. Once the files are created, you can focus on implementing the required design, styles, and front-end behavior. You have the same freedom as when starting from scratch, but at the same time, you don't need to deal with repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as creating the required files and folders and following the naming convention of Sitefinity. That way, you can focus on what's important and save your effort for what brings value to your project. Go ahead and download Sitefinity V6. Then start creating your first page and widget templates. Thanks for watching.